Hey guys, it's Dylan from Florida. Happy Easter, guys. And I got this new Lego toy in my Easter basket this morning. I came out here at 5 o'clock, and when I came out here at 5 o'clock, when Bert got up season, they're working on a 4-hour test that she speeded on a limit. So I got a new Lego toy. So let's open this up. Wait, I forgot something to get. I'll be right back. I had to get my scissors. And I have an Easter basket down there. It's an Easter ball one, but it has a white one. Trash from the one we did yesterday of a decor one, and just already put together. So let's just open this and see what there is inside. Oh, there, I don't know. This doesn't look like all of them. This is definitely not all the pieces. There's only a hat in here and a vest, stuff like that. Pieces of that. This is garbage. Don't take on garbage. And our box is empty, that's garbage too. But here's our instructions. And I usually don't talk about the instructions, but I am. So this one looks cool, how you can do it, but how like that. So that's what there's in that one. There they are. So let's open this, and then that'll be all the pieces we have. And compared to the box, here's what it's gonna look like when it's all done. So that's what there is. What are they both supposed to have hats? Let me look compared to the picture. Yeah, but the other guy's supposed to have a blue hat. Or maybe they just got doubles because. Just because. So I think maybe he's supposed to I thought there's supposed to be something for him to stand on at the bottom, but I guess not. So I hope you enjoyed my little mini Lego video, but I'm gonna do something extra special that I never do in this video. That I never have done in this video. But today I want to. So I'm going to put the characters together in this video. So doesn't that sound like a good idea? So let's snap this guy together. Somehow. I just think I need to get the instructions to make sure I'm going to put it on right. I don't want to make this video too long, so I'm trying to find step 1, the best I can. But it's not going to be too long. Don't worry, I can make it. It doesn't. So I need something to hold it. Is this box strong enough? Yeah. So it looks like I need blue feet. I found his hat. And I found his vest. I found these. And at the other side. So let's put on this part. So I'm going to sweep that on there. Then I'm going to snap his head on. And he looks all finished, but he needs a little hook thing. There it is. I don't want to make this video too long, so I'm trying to be quick. I'm going to have his head off for 1 minute. So I'm going to try and keep that part down. That ain't going in his head, so I'm just going to let my mom do it anyway. So I'll put, and then I have put him over there. Yeah, but this thing won't want to go in his hands. And so I'll put that over there. And now I'll flip it over. Anyways, let's just get them together. So I need to find white feet, and I found them. Now I need to find his body. Which way? Out. Anyways, once I get his head on, it'll be good. So now I'm looking for his head. There it is. It's hiding under all the pieces. Now I need to find this. Here it is. And I think I can put this part in his hand if I can find it. Yeah. It says he's supposed to have 2 hands, but I'm only going to use 1 hand. There. Yeah, so I'm going to try it with this guy now. All you have to do is... There we go. Now I got that part in. I just had to push. And I have to get this. I have to kind of put his hand out. Yep. And he's in. And I don't want to make this video too long, so I'm not going to put it together. But I put together the guys at least, so that's a cool idea. So I hope you enjoyed my Lego video for today, guys. And we're just going to go ahead and put this together when I say bye, which it will be right now. So bye, guys.